Hi, my name is Fred Jones. I'm the power mechanics instructor here at the vocational school. And in my program, we work on anything from a weed eater to a semi-truck. We have got a lot of students bring in their own pieces of equipment to work on, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, etc. We also have a machine shop in our lab. It's got a lathe milling machine. We do basic welding. Your junior year, you'll learn about engines and fuels the first semester, and the second you learn about electrical and electronics. Your senior year, you learn about hydraulics the first semester, and you learn about powertrains the second semester. Also, when you leave the program, you'll receive your forklift driving license, your scissor lift operation license, your aerial man lift license, and most all the students receive their MST certification, which is a Briggs & Stratton Master Certification test, which makes you get paid full rate on warranty work. Some of the places where my students go after school, they go to career tech schools like Northwestern College. They've been going to Pittsburgh Aeronautical Institute to work on airplanes. I have a lot of people working in the field in the semi-truck and heavy equipment maintenance areas. We also work on jet skis, snowmobiles, and motorcycles. With my connections I have in the industry, I'm able to place my students in high-paying jobs in the trucking industry and in different maintenance shops in the local area.